Understanding Batt Insulation, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of batt insulation. This is a key topic for anyone interested in construction, home improvement, or energy efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what batt insulation is and why it's important. Batt insulation is a type of thermal insulation used in building construction. It comes in pre-cut panels and is typically made from fiberglass, though other materials like cotton or mineral wool can also be used. The main purpose of batt insulation is to reduce heat transfer through walls, ceilings, and floors. This makes buildings more energy efficient and comfortable. The significance of batt insulation lies in its energy-saving properties. By maintaining a stable temperature inside a building, it reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. This not only cuts down on energy costs but also minimizes the environmental impact by reducing energy consumption. Installing batt insulation is a straightforward process but requires attention to detail. It involves measuring the space, cutting the insulation to fit if necessary, and placing it between framing like studs or joists. The effectiveness of batt insulation heavily relies on proper installation, as gaps or compression can reduce its insulating properties. Different materials offer different benefits. Fiberglass, most common, affordable, and easy to handle. Mineral wool, higher fire resistance and soundproofing qualities. Cotton, eco-friendly option made from recycled materials. When working with batt insulation, especially fiberglass, it's important to wear protective gear like gloves, long sleeves, and a mask to avoid irritation from the fibers. Also, consider factors like R value, which measures the insulation's ability to resist heat flow. The higher the R value, the better the insulation. I hope this video has given you a thorough understanding of batt insulation and its significance in building construction. Remember, good insulation is key to a comfortable, energy-efficient home or building. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos.